Hello CraftDee Family, and welcome to another tutorial by She's So Crafty. For today's DIY project, we will be creating a pair of jewelry holders for your necklaces and bracelets. This project is super easy and perfect for the DIY beginner. Please see the description box below to see all of the items and tools used for this project. I am so excited to share this tutorial with you, but before we start, I wanted to say welcome back to my current and my new subscribers to my channel. If you're a new visitor to my channel today and you love to create fun and easy DIY projects on a budget, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you will be the first to know when a new DIY tutorial is ready to share with you. So now, we are getting ready to jump right into that tutorial. The items that I will be using are 5 glass candle holders. Now these are available at the Dollar Tree, but sometimes cheaper at the thrift stores. I will also be using 2 of the Cake Boss clear acrylic fondant rolling pins. I'm using the ones with the swirl design. To assemble the tall jewelry holder, you will need 3 of the candle holders. Go ahead and grab your E6000, and you want to apply a generous layer around the top of the candle holder. Then follow up with a layer of hot glue. Then adhere the top of the second candle holder to the first and apply gentle pressure. Now take that third candle holder and set it on top and make sure it's level. And if it's good to go, go ahead and glue it in place in the same process. And here is what it'll look like when it's all adhered together. Now go ahead and place that to the side and grab the 2 remaining candle holders. We want to go ahead and glue those together with the same process. And here are the 2 candle holder bases, fully assembled. Now grab your 2 acrylic rolling pins and remove the packaging. Now we will be adhering these to the top of each candle holder. Start by applying a generous amount of that E6000 and hot glue to the top of the candle holder base. Then we want to place that acrylic pin on top and press it into place. And repeat this with the other candle holder as well. Now that they're glued in place, let it sit and dry for about a day, and then apply one more generous coat of E6000 to the acrylic rolling pin. Then let those holders cure for at least 2 days to be sure the bond has reached its maximum strength. And now that they are fully cured, we can add our jewelry. I am happy with these and how they turned out. Oh my gosh. I really love the crystal look of the glass and how the acrylic fondant roller perfectly blends in with that swirl design. You certainly have the option of adding additional embellishments if you like bling wrap, pearls, ribbon, or glitter, but I really love that clean crystal look. And you can place this on your vanity, your dresser, or even a bath countertop. Now, if you can't find that acrylic rolling pin, other Dollar Tree items that you can use are the dowel rod from the plunger, or you can paint one of their wood rolling pins that they sell. And if you don't want to use this for jewelry, you could easily use it to hold hair ties and headbands as well. There are so many possibilities. And here it is shown without the jewelry. And if you're interested in the candle holder or the 2-tier tray shown in this display, the links to those tutorials will be in the description box below as well. Listen, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. This lets me know that you're enjoying my videos and I can keep bringing you more projects. Thank you so much for visiting and checking out my tutorial. If you like videos like these and don't want to miss the next one, make sure you're subscribed by hitting that subscribe button and turning on that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.